Hello everyone and welcome to my grill. I'm Katie with John Henry's and today I'm going to share with you how to prepare and grill the best chicken kebabs. When you purchase our chicken kebab meat, it is boneless, skinless chicken breast that is cut into 1-inch pieces that are ready to be marinated or seasoned however you desire. Today I have our chicken kebab meat along with red and orange peppers marinated in a blend of balsamic vinegar, grapeseed oil, crushed pineapple, and roasted garlic and bell pepper seasoning blend. To follow this exact recipe, see the link in the description below. I've allowed the chicken to marinate overnight, so it's ready for the grill. I prefer to use a mixture of veggies and fruit with my chicken kebabs, so before assembling, I will cut up my onion, additional peppers, and pineapple. If you're using wooden skewers, remember to soak them in water while you're doing your prep. This will keep your skewers from catching fire just in case things get a little too hot. To assemble the kebabs, you will want to skewer the onion slice, pepper piece, chicken, and then a piece of pineapple. Continue in the same order all the way down the skewer. As we're working on assembling the kebabs, we'll want to preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Once all the skewers are loaded with goodness, I'm going to place them on the hot grill and turn the heat down to medium. Allow the kebabs to cook for a few minutes before turning them. The seared meat will release naturally when it's ready. You'll want to gently roll the kebabs to cook them on all sides. Keep a meat thermometer handy because our pasture-raised chicken is lean and you do not want to overcook it. Once the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees, the kebabs are ready to be removed from the grill. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video and thank you so much for supporting our farm. We're so glad that you found our channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more awesome recipes, click the video below.